We have some new setup in our warehouse for the sampling of your seeds to make sure that they grow good. We started to sample them like totally the same like you grow them on your farms. We did a hydroponic setup here with the Flow trays that we have in our web shop, with some LED lamps that are also available in our shop, and big huge growing rack up to 3 meters high. Right now we can produce 5 levels of greens, but right now we use only 2 at the easily reachable level. Everything is automated. The watering of greens is made totally automatic using the pumps, and all greens are watered from the top. We do the watering every 4 hours right now. We find it very convenient to do it every 4 hours. Watering frequency depends on your temperatures and ventilation and humidity, so it can be adjusted up to your requirements. As you can see, the plants grow amazing in this setup. They are much more easier to manage. You can adjust the nutrients in the hydroponic solution on your own. You should check while using this type of method the pH and EC. These are 2 main factors that influence the nutrients availability to your greens. pH should be around 5.5 till 6.4, and EC should be around 1.5, maximum 2, to produce such nice greens. Using automated watering setup, it's from my experience a little bit faster production. When you grow using the automated setup and automated watering, it's a little bit faster option to grow greens because they have better conditions and they start to look sellable and nice a little bit faster. Right now we have here some Mizuna. It's Mizuna red. Look at this beautiful frilled first true leaves. Every single variety can be grown on this setup. You should use pods growing medium, like the coconut fiber, hemp fiber, cellulose pods, or whatever you have. We don't recommend using soil in this setup because of the dirt and because of the watering schedule. Soil keeps lots of water and they might get a little bit moldy if you use soil in automated watering, because the plants will get too much water in the medium. The whole rack should be leveled up perfectly, so the water can flood. It's called flood trays. The water can flood whole tray at once. Watering period lasts about 5 to 10 minutes. It depends the water flow and how many levels we use. Come with me here. I will show you some setup. Here we have 2 types of pipes. The black ones are for the water inlet, so it means that that are connected to the pump inside the water tank. And when the pump goes on, the water starts to flow via this inlet, and when it reaches certain level, the pump starts to turn off, and the water drains out using the white pipes back to the bucket, and the water in the bucket has a bulgulator. Bulgulator is giving some air to the water, so the water is not getting stinky really fast. Besides giving some air to the watering solution, we also add some nutrients. We mix the nutrients with the really clean water we use for that reverse osmosis system. It means that the water is cleaner than from the wodociągi. Yes, the water is not tap water, it's filtered. We filter it using the reverse osmosis system, and it's really clean, and it gives consistent quality. We also manage to keep the pH at the certain level using the acid. We just use the simple manual meter. We take some water from the bucket, drain, put it in the water that is inside from the bucket, and we test its quality. When the quality of the water should be checked once a day, and I think it's enough for growing microgreens. The EC should be adjusted first, then pH, and it looks like this. We are very happy to have it. It will help us to grow better greens whole year round. I think you should consider building your own setup. You can use our equipment like upflow trays and LED lights, but in the nearby future I hope we will be able to deliver to you already prepared whole growing rack with the automated watering, so you will get this type of equipment fully prepared and everything ready. Just you will need to assemble it. You will get it at the reasonable price. We like it. It's really nice. Take a look. Look at this cilantro. Perfect true leaf stage, fully green leaves. Lovely, pretty lovely.